Welcome to the channel. Boy, I'm tired of making them video, but still have to put out the update because enough people don't do. People, them just unalive 41 busted. Jaja Star. Not even 2 weeks, not even 3 weeks of Niah gang passing, then gone with the next TikToker. That thing I get serious, that thing I get vile, that thing I get wicked. As you know, people, this is a developing story, so you know the information are going to come in fragments. So bits by bits we are get to put it together. So may I get to understand, say BUSSHEAD was actually on live when the incident occurred. Boy, I don't know, yeah, man. The last time I put out a video, I tell everybody, say, yo, listen, when you're on live, bro, it's best if you're there at a location, a private location. Don't go live and show your surroundings, brother. You have man out there who just literally bad mind. Them say hustle off of the app, a man a go on just come in and try to take what's yours out of bad mind. Cause me no wanna rob him. I just bad mind make them kill him, man. You see it? Boy, I tell you, I start wonder if the app makes sense, brother. Because I know say if the app never in existence, nobody wanna know about BUSSHEAD like that. So they wanna have no reason to try to bad mind him, to kill him. You get me, I say? Donia and Slime when they on live together when they hear the news about BUSSHEAD, them still feel to believe over Donia. Film people in the comments I tell them say them unalive BUSSHEAD, but him still feel to believe. But I show now snippet take in Donia reaction, and as we get more info on BUSSHEAD, we'll keep you up to date. So remember to subscribe and stay tuned, right? Check out Donia's reaction and other TikTokers reaction. Alright.
Make sure you're youth.
Can you? Donia.
Yeah. You know.
The people come tell what happened on BUSSHEAD live just now.
What I'm doing on the live?
Him a walk and gunshot of fire and
What happened? What I'm doing?
I don't know, but I don't want to panic, and the people might tell me all kind of something and tell me.
Yeah, that day over here tell me to.
You can call him, please.
Alright, wait there.
This make me panic. It's really like a panic right now.
Great, but the person you have called is unavailable. Please.
Yesterday, Lando dog. Yesterday, bro. Me and the dog sit down and play match and a reason you would. You know, dog.
Up on live, this happened to dog?
Yeah, so we are here, dog. Yo, Gage. No, the man then dep on the road in a bad man, but the man do not like.
Bumbo clad, not 2 days ago, me I tell this man, I said, dog, me hate see you up on the roadside in a youth.
You know me not go roadside already, dog. You know me not go roadside, go like.
Your son joke, dog.
Yeah, you see me I looking this. No, me can't believe nothing, dog. Me not believe.
Brother, about 2 days ago, me I tell this man, I said, me hate see them play up on the roadside, dog.
Do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Ready.
But there, dog. Yo, I'm for link you, Lando. Yo, Alex, I go on.
Hey, that sitting go so dog, me no.
Yeah, I know me don't believe you, brother.
Yeah, sure say sitting go so do.
Yes, me see a picture, bro, but me can't
Somebody say
confirm.
I lie, dog. Me not believe charge.
Yeah,